Hello, you mayhem makers. I'm Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and oh my gosh, it has been a week. We had Bernina educators, we had Laurastar educators, all in the store all week, teaching on our L890 sergers, our 790 Pro machines, our 990 machines, teaching them all the features that you get with these amazing machines. It's been so much fun, and of course, when you have Adam, who is now with Laurastar in the store, you may get convinced that you need to bring home a new tool for your room. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing of this gorgeous Laurastar. I couldn't resist the color, let alone all the fun features, because I wanted to keep my pressing station. I may upgrade to the big system because it is fabulous and amazing, but right now, because I haven't even finished redoing my room, I'm still mid-process, and I know it's been months, but the walls got painted. I mean, at least that got done. But I just have not had time to finish my room. But that doesn't stop me from bringing an amazing new tool for my sewing room that will make pressing, oh my gosh, so much easier. And I'm excited because I have a homecoming dress that I need to do some repairs and hems on, that this iron is not even going to bat an eye at. It's not going to do any damage to it. It's going to steam it out beautifully. I'll do that as a different video because I think this unboxing is going to be more than enough for you guys. But I just kind of wanted to show off how amazing this one is. I'm so excited. And we do have a special still going on them. We had special pricing for the event, and we still have some systems left. We have a couple floor models that still need new homes. So we're going to extend some of the specials. We're changing it up a little bit just for anybody that may have missed coming to Adam's demonstrations yesterday or our open house on Tuesday, but still maybe are interested. Come see us at the store. We've got them there. We've got all kinds of them out on display that you can try out before taking it home. And of course, it comes with lovely, look at, this is a huge manual. I love this. All kinds of photos and things. Amazing extra plates for them for different applications. They do a lot of good packing. I think they took notes from Bernina on how to package all the stuff. Now I love this. This is the cord manager. It is going to go on top of this steam cart. I'm also not going to bore you with unpacking a steam cart. I'll show you the final product later on. But this will go on there so that the cord on this machine can stay in control. Throwing the filters. You know, it's mayhem style in here. But look at this. Oh, gorgeous color. This is the new 1980 lift. I swear all week I've been trying to call it 1890. I don't know why I'm trying to age it. I don't like aging. It's 1980. It was a very good year. I enjoyed the 80s. So there's zip ties. I mean, this thing is very well packaged up. I did not come prepared, apparently, for zip ties. Oh, there we go. It's not quite a zip tie. So you can see it. So definitely is well packaged. It will have this amazing cord for all the steam. And if you haven't seen demonstrations, I will definitely make sure we get you a video of how this one works. I know I have an older video that shows you how it works on one of the regular lift systems where this is more robust than that system that I first brought home. This definitely has more fun features to it. So you have your tank. It will sit on the bottom of the cart with its little power cord. And then this is what will have the cord management. So this is not in my way because I know my other iron, I go insane every time I try to press because the cord is always trying to wrap around my pressing, drives me mental. So to have something that will help keep it up out of the way is amazing. It'll make me very happy, but I'm too excited. I got a lot of stuff I can press. So hopefully maybe I'll get some time this weekend. Now that the event is over, maybe I'll actually get some time at home to play. So I am super excited. And of course this will dock in the machine. So if you needed to put it away, or if you don't get the cart and you just want it tucked up nicely, it does pack up pretty nice. I don't have it all pretty, you know, It's early, I'm not fully awake yet, but you have a water tank. This is huge, so you can steam for a long time before you run out. I'm just excited. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna go play. I'm gonna go figure out what I wanna iron first. So if you're interested, definitely you can give us a call or come see us. We'd love to show you more about it, let you see how beautifully it will iron everything. Cottons, rayons, silks, felt, everything. Adam was showing us all different kinds of material, quilt blocks, you name it. Bags, it works great for bags, fusible fleece, fusible batting, you name it. This thing is going to iron it for you without even hesitating. So if you've been struggling with pressing, flat seams, bag seams, all of that, maybe time to step up to a new tool in your sewing room. So come see us. I hope you guys have an amazing day.